Purchase it right now. Number 2 is HP Laserjet Enterprise M555dn printer. In today's vibrant world of printing possibilities, the HP Laserjet Enterprise M555dn emerges as the exhilarating champion among sublimation printers under $1,500. Bursting with remarkable features, this printer unleashes a whirlwind of color and performance that will leave you spellbound. Prepare to be astounded by its lightning-fast printing speed of up to 40 pages per minute, whether you're unleashing a vivid rainbow or a timeless black and white masterpiece. With automatic duplex printing, it effortlessly dances between both sides of the paper, adding a touch of magic to your creations. But the enchantment doesn't end there. Equipped with a dazzling 1200 by 1200 dpi print resolution, your business documents, envelopes, and labels emerge with a sharpness that can rival the sharpest of spells. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, the 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen. As you navigate its vibrant display, it becomes your trusty guide, leading you effortlessly through a world of menus and settings, allowing you to conjure up the perfect print with a flick of your finger. So if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.